Hey, so I've got some new things arrived from eBay. So some stuff from China, so I thought I'd do another quick unboxing Postbag video for you guys. This one arrived today. I'm not entirely sure what this one is. Electronics components, it says. Let's open it up, find out. I know other YouTubers seem to use a knife whilst doing this. I'm just going to carry on using my scissors. It's not that I have a problem with knives, I just think it's easier with scissors. What's this? This is, I know what this is. It's a, I think 16 by 4 LCD display, but it's got the I2C chip on it, so you only need 4 wires to drive it, power, ground. I forgot now. SDA and SCL. Oh, and some more for the LED backlight, but I mean that's a lot cooler. I did have a screen set up on my old Arduino and I had like 16 million wires coming in and out of it, so I thought this would be kind of cool. Slightly easier to work with. Oh, it's not even on camera. Got a protector on the screen there. So sweet, that'll be another video soon. What else have we got? This one. Again, scissors, easy. And in here is, I should have read the description because it actually says, this is a DIY audio amplifier, I think. I'm not sure, to arrange my camera there, not sure what I had in mind when I bought this, but I will put that together at some point. That should be kind of cool. It's pretty simple, it's just a chip driven one if I remember rightly. That's a good start, isn't it? Bent pin. Bit of a bent pin. So this is the LM368 amplifier. Don't know if that will come out. But yeah, that'll be another cheeky little YouTube video I suspect soon. That's the wrong way around. Bloop, bloop. And last but not least, this I think is an illuminating USB cable. That's what it says, USB cable 2. Don't really need one, I just saw these. Oh yeah, sweet. Oh, actually something else in there as well. Come back to that one. Saw this on YouTube a little while ago. Not on YouTube, sorry, on eBay whilst I was looking for aimless things to buy. Thought it looked kind of cool. And it kind of is kind of cool. Let's plug it in, see what it does. Poundland battery bank. Classic. Let's kill these big lights. Plug this bad boy in. That is much more disappointing than I hoped. So in the picture it looked like the whole of the cable sort of lit up. Actually all this does is the two ends light up, which is a shame, but it was ridiculously cheap, so I'm not entirely sure what I suspected, but it's quite a nice light. Yeah, I'm sure I'll find something to do with it, not entirely sure what. And also hiding in that bag was this, and it's a single one. I thought it would probably have been 2. Put the light back on so you can see it. I guess I should have checked this description a bit better. I kind of got this again just because I thought it was kind of cool. See, it's got batteries in it. Yeah. So you attach this to your trainer or your shoes, and then you basically got a light on the back of your shoe for if you're out at night running, then you can be seen. That actually works quite well. It's not as I guess you don't want it to be too flexible. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I like it. Can't see where the batteries go. It also doesn't look very waterproof at all, so I don't think you'd want to use this in anything other than dry conditions. And I guess the battery probably goes under here. There's a few screws down there. Don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like my videos, and I'll keep them coming.